Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check highlights on Instagram. If you want to check the highlights on your Instagram post, here's how you can get it done. You have to open your Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, you tap on the profile icon. Then from there, so let me start from the beginning. Alright, good. You tap on your profile icon and tap on the three line button at the right top corner. Tap on it, then from there you tap on your activities, then from there you scroll down a little, then tap on highlights. So from here you can see the list of highlights you have on your Instagram account, and this is actually the oldest one. You can see code. By the time I put on this, actually it was posted on the 3rd of January 2023, and this is how you can find the list of your highlights or check your highlights on Instagram. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.